Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to hide your location in travel apps like Airbnb or booking.com on iPhone. If you don't want these apps tracking your exact location, you can control in settings. First, open settings on your phone, then scroll down and then tap on booking.com. Next, what you're gonna do is tap location, then choose never if you don't want the app to access to your GPS at all, or ask next time if you only want to allow when you decide it. Next, what you're gonna do is, if you still want to search it by city but not give away your exact GPS, choose while using the app and turn off precise location. This way the app will only know your general area, not your exact address. Safety tip: never say your exact home address or live location and chats inside these apps. Keep that info private until you have confirmed a trusted booking. Quick fix: if the app stops working after turning off location, just go back to settings, temporarily enable by using the app, then disable it again once you're done.